Hello again. Right, well, in my Locksport Viking 100 video, I made this little key out of a ring pull. Bushcrafted it, actually, to open up a little filing case, really, wasn't it? Anyway, Jeff and Things left a comment and said that it gave him some ideas about making a small keyring pick set. And I thought, well, it would be quite nice, that you could put on a keyring. And I thought, well, that would be quite a nice thing to do. So I made this, which is obviously a hacksaw blade, and it's just, fashioned simply. It's got a little set screw sort of thing, and a nut on the back of it. It's got a couple of washers on it. You need that to give it some sort of grip, actually, otherwise there's no way of holding this very easily. I'll have a go at picking these two. I have picked this lot with it obviously to see if it works. It's fashioned, sorry, when I say fashioned, I mean the length of this is for this sort of size of lock. So it will, it will pick something obviously slightly bigger than that, but that's what it's made for anyway. And sometimes this lock picks easy, and sometimes it doesn't. So we'll see. If it's not picking easily, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. I can assure you that, because I've been fiddling around with it all bloody day. This thing. Hold on, let me just get down there and do that. You can see you need this thing. Actually, has got a very stiff one at the end here. Oh, there we go. Thank goodness. Whoop. Twang! I'm pleased that happened. And then I had to go. I thought, well, I've got to have a go with this master lock. But obviously, it fits. I think it's the same length as the key, and I thought, well, it's one of the easy locks to open, really. But I thought I'd have to give it a go, and it's not that easy to open with this. I'll tell you, it's right. There's one down the bottom here. I think I got that. There's a couple at the front here. This is a difficult one. That very front is difficult. It's so nearly there. You can see it's quite a bit of a dexterous move. Oh, here we go. Well, there we go. It works. Only just. Cheers.